friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 18th to the 24th. And we are going to cruise through some of these deals and find the best savings this week. And this is a pretty good little flyer this week, to say the least. So a lot of us on Wednesday received this, which is 10 back when you spend 25. It's activated on Sunday the 18th, going right till the 24th. And yes, this does stack with a paper booster such as this one. But you'd have to buy $50 to get the two of them to stack. But yes, they do stack. So a couple rules for you guys. The dates are very important from the 18th to the 24th. All boosters are of a one-time use, including digitals. And yes, it does stack with the paper and other digitals. I had a quad stack on Thursday. Make sure your math is right to the number, because if you're off by 1 cent, sometimes these boosters don't work. Remember, no IVC, Walgreens cash, store register rewards to pay down the balance. Use your debit, credit card, or bills. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 18th in the app. And to all the male couponers out there, happy Father's Day. And before we even dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge solid and please give this video a big thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. Really helps out the channel and to get this video out to a lot more shoppers to save a lot more money. So if you could just like this video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, guys, is a deal of the week with the Tresemme shampoo. So it says Love Beauty and Planet or Tresemme Hair Care, and there's a 4 off 2 digital. So we're going to have to wait and see. I think it's the Tresemme that's going to be $6, but we're going to have to grab 3 of them to get back our $5 register reward. So grabbing 3 of the Tresemmes at $6 a pop, that's 18 on the nose. Subtracting that digital that will be there on Sunday morning, you're paying 14, getting back a $5 register reward, making this $9 for the 3 or $3 per Tresemme. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Okay, the next deal of the week that we have is on the Olay Old Spice. Earn a $5 reward when you buy 3, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of the Olay body washes for 21, subtracting that 5 off 3, you're paying 16, getting back a $5 register reward, shaking this out 11 for the 3 or $3.66 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, this guy is back, 4 for $9 on the Tide Simply, the smaller boxes of the Bounce, and the Downy fabric softener, which I believe is a 40 count. If you're trying to build up your stockpile, here's a deal pour vous. We're going to utilize this from the Garnier deal last week. We're going to throw in one of these, like why not? So grabbing 4 products, if you want to mix and match the Tide or the Bounce, or if you want to grab one of each, $9 for the 4, subtracting that $4 register reward, and also throw in $5 in Walgreens cash, and you're paying down tax. And it is okay to use your Walgreens cash if you're not doing this with a booster, but it's a way to really start collecting some cheap detergent, and this is something all couponers love. And a $1.99 week for a whole bunch of the complete brand, Walgreens brand products, including that toilet paper, that little 4-pack. We have some filtered water, a whole bunch of chips and stuff. You know, use some Walgreens cash if you're throwing a Father's Day cookout. You can probably get all of your chips and sides for your little cookout over at Walgreens. I think that's what they're trying to entice you to get into the store. The next deal that we have, guys, is with the Dawn dish soap, and I love when this floats by every couple of weeks. So it's $1.24, and when you buy 2, you're getting back a $1 register reward. So how lovely is that? So grabbing 2 of these dish soaps, it's $2.48. I would throw in $2 in Walgreens cash, pay 48 cents, get back your $1 register reward. It's basically like a $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it's like original and then the apple scent. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. You know, spend it to earn that register reward. So just a super deal. I love it. And now the Angel Soft. I haven't seen this deal in months, so it's really nice that it's back. The 6-pack, that's actually 24 rolls, so they're very beefy toilet paper rolls, $4.69, $3 reward when you buy 3, and we have a $1.50 digital, which is really nice. So putting 3 of these into your basket, it's $14.07. Subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're paying $12.57 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $9.57 for the 3 or $3.19 per 6-pack of Angel Soft toilet paper. If this is your favorite thing, you know that's a very good price point. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward if you're doing this deal without a booster. Okay, the next deal that we have is $6.99 for the Skintimate or the Schick disposable razors. These are usually closer to $8, so that's some instant savings right there. Now, if you look through, we have digital coupons to go with this. We have a $4 digital, and then also on the coupons.com app, also have $1 back, and this is a 4 off a 2, kind of interesting. So grabbing 3 of these for $20.97, subtracting that $4 digital, you're paying $16.97, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. Make the application to coupons.com for $4 back. It makes it $7.97 for the 3 or $2.65 per disposable razor. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because this is a spend offer to spend $20 to get back $5. So it's basically like a booster deal. Now let's talk about our best friend, which is the NEXXUS shampoo. The stylers are a little bit cheaper than the shampoo at the store. But it's part of this promotion to spend $30, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. It's some healthy promotion. If you still have that booster on your card, here's the deal. Grabbing 2 of the shampoos, or the stylers might be like $1 or $2 less. $37.98 for 2 shampoos. We have a $5 digital. So with your debit card, you're paying $32.98, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for that summer booster, and then an extra $10 for spending $25 on NEXXUS products. So it makes it $12.98 for the 2 or $6.49 per shampoo. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using 2 different boosters with this deal. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, guys. The first, I just wanted to point this out. Look at the price of the hair dye. 2 for $24. Last week at Dollar General, we were getting these for 50 cents. Like, my goodness, this has really jumped in price. The next little honorable mention that we have, this is still going on. $10 reward when you spend $20 on Walgreens brand beauty and personal care. Double, triple check the app to see what is attaching. I was running into trouble with that last Thursday. We also have $3.29 for these Febreze plugs. $3 reward when you buy 3. If you wanted to throw in some register rewards and make that a deal, by all means. 3 for $11.99 for the 7-Up. We have some select nice brand nuts for $2.98, and then the raisin brand is BOGO free, which is always nice to see. And the next 3 slides is food. If you have a bunch of teenagers home for the summer months, maybe this is the time to stock up and spend $50 in Walgreens cash and stock up on some of these products, just to fill up your pantry so you're not feeling it so much out of the pocket. And then we have these Kool-Aid jammers, 2 for $5, if that's your thing. And then the final slide, a lot of the summer, fun in the sun products, $25. I've even seen stickers up to 40% off. So they're trying to move some of this stuff that's just been sitting on the shelf since probably Memorial Day. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.